Welcome back to this video. In this video, I will show you on how to turn on Find My Device Active on Infinix Android phone. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you want to do is head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here. And from your phone setting right here, next thing you need to do is to simply click on here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and go to Find My. So simply click on that. Then take you right here. Simply click on Agree. And the next thing you need to do is to simply turn on this button. Then simply allow. Then allow. Then permission requested. What you need to do is to simply click on Settings. Then you have to simply scroll down and make sure you click on Allow all time. Then simply go back and enable the button. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to enable Find My Device on Infinix Android. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching this video from beginning to end, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.